how to rethread the line on your Ryobi Cordless ONE+ line trimmer. So here we have an empty spool. Now you can buy line in a kit like this so you can rethread your spool. Just make sure that you get the right diameter for your Ryobi trimmer. This is all in the manual, and you can find this information online. I have some blue line here, what I've already cut off. What you want to do with the end is bend it over with your fingers to create a little hook with the line. And with this little hook created with the line, you want to thread it into this little hole here. This will stop the line from coming loose. With that little bend in place in that little hole, you can then slowly thread the line onto the spool. I'll speed this process up. You just want to thread the line down the spool and then back up again. Don't over tighten the line onto the spool, but don't make it too light that it will come loose. I will speed this process up. Once it's all fully loaded onto the spool, thread the line through this little hole on the spool. This will stop it coming loose. Then you want to get your Ryobi string trimmer. Thread the line through the hole on the bottom of the string trimmer. Put your line spool onto the thread. Just push it down. Make sure you don't trap the line underneath the spool. Replace the cap, and you'll have successfully rethreaded the line on your Ryobi Cordless ONE+ line trimmer. If you found this video helpful, smash that like, smash the subscribe, because it really helps the video out. But most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.